In this video, we will discuss about logic gates. What are the various logic gates and how to implement how to write a VHDL code for the logic gates, digital logic gates, and what are the basic gates available which is used to implement any of the digital electronic circuit. Here, the digital electronic circuits operate with the voltages of two logic levels, namely a logic level low and a high level logic. The range of voltages corresponding to low level logic is represented by means of 0, and similarly the range of voltages that we can represent to represent a high level logic is logic 1 is with 1, binary 1. So simply we can represent, it will take only two values, either low level logic or 0 or high level logic voltage as represented as 1. The basic digital electronic circuit that has one or more inputs and single output is known as a logic gate. Hence, the logic gates are the building blocks of any digital system. Now, we can classify these logic gates into three categories. First one, basic logic gates, and universal logic gate, and special category of logic gates. Now, considering basic logic gates, what are the various basic logic gates available? AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. These three comes under basic gates configuration. And universal gates. Universal gates, logic gates are NAND and NOR. Special logic gates. Special logic gates are XOR and XNOR combinations. Here, XOR, by using universal logic gates, that is NAND and NOR. Why we are naming it as universal logic gates? Because by using these NAND and NOR combinations, logics, any of the circuit, any of the digital combination can be implemented. So, we can represent any logic gate or digital level circuits can be designed by using NAND and NOR logics. That's why we are considering these logic gates into a special category, named it as universal logic gates. Now, let us discuss how the logic gates and what are the various symbols to represent these logic gates and what is the behavior of the gate in terms of a logical function, how to write the output and input relationship for each and every gate in this particular chart. Now, I am going to explain you. So, first logic gate is the AND gate. AND gate, the symbol of AND gate is represented in the second column symbol, and here the behavior or the description of AND gate is the output of the AND gate is at logic 1 when and only when all the inputs of the gate is at logic 1. Otherwise, if any one of the input is 0, then the output of the gate will be logic 0. So, all the inputs must be, for the AND gate, all the input configuration, say let us represent this is A and this is B, then all the combinations of inputs must be at logic 1, then only output of the AND gate will be at logic 1 or logic high. Otherwise, if any one of the input is 0, then output will be 0. See here, according to this description or behavior of the logic AND logic, the Boolean expression I can quote as x is equal to A dot B, where dot is representing the AND operation between the inputs A and B, and whenever these two inputs are ANDed, the resulting output will goes to the output X, where X is not, let us assume X is the output of the logic gate, then output is related as A and B, where symbolic representation, here we are representing where the data operators as dot operation represents the AND operation. Okay, so x is equal to a dot b represents the operation of AND logic. Okay, so this is a OR gate. Coming to the next logic symbol, OR gate. Here OR is represented with two inputs, let us say A and B, and the output of the OR gate is say X. Then if any one of the input is at logic 1, then output will be logic 1. Or in the same thing can be, I can give a definition. If any one of the input of the OR gate is logic high, then the output of the OR gate will be logic high. Else, if both or all the inputs are at logic low, logic 0, then the output will be logic 0 or low level logic. Okay, so now considering the behavior of the OR gate, here x is equal to a plus b. Simply OR is nothing but a summing operation. Here all the inputs will be summed up, and the output logic x is equal to a plus b is the Boolean expression which is representing the relation between outputs and inputs of OR gate. Okay, so now another combination is a NAND operation. Similarly, the basic gate configuration, let us discuss NOT operation. NOT is nothing but the symbol as inverter logic. NOT gate operation is also similar to the inverter logic, and here whenever you have given the input is logic 0, you will get the complement logic of input signal. Okay, so that means whenever you have given for the NOT gate input is, let us say A, then A is equal to 0, then you will get the output, let us say X, then X will be 1. Okay, so whenever you have given 0 input here, output will be 1. Or if another combination into another interval of time, say let us give logic 1 or logic high or high level logic is given as input, then the output of the NOT gate will be logic low. Okay, so logic low, and you will get logic 0 as the output. So here whenever we are giving 0, output will be 1, and 1 if input is 1, then output will be 0. So you are getting the inverted logic of your input is obtained at the output. So this particular NOT gate can also be, that's why we are calling it as inverter logic. Okay, so inverter logic, and the symbol is buffer with output bubble. So buffer with bubble acts as a inverter circuit, and the expression, Boolean expression is x is equal to a bar or a bar, and here we can represent a bar is called as Boolean complement. Okay, so if A is your input, you will get a bar as the output for the NOT gate. So if a bar is the output, then we will get a bar double bar, that is equal to a as the output combination. So x is equal to complement of your input signal, that is nothing but the NOT gate. Okay, so now in this chart, AND gate, OR combination and NOT combination, all these three gates are said to be basic logic gates. Similarly, come to the NAND and NOR combination. NAND and NOR combinations are called as universal logic gates, and any combination can be represented by means of these two, and the Boolean expressions are the complement of AND operation. So here A dot B, see let us A dot B is the AND, then A dot B whole bar will be the complement of AND operation. So here the output is at logic 0 when and only when all the inputs are at logic 1. Otherwise, the output is at logic 1. It is the behavior. So, the complement of AND logic will be represented here 1 place low 0. So, here output will be at logic 0 when and only when all the inputs are at logic high or logic 1. Else, the output will be at logic 1 only. That is NAND gate. Next, coming to the NOR operation, here a NOT of OR operation, that is A plus B whole bar, where the output is at logic 0 when one or more of its inputs are at logic 1. If all the inputs are at logic 0, then the output is at simply logic 1. So, this is the behavior of NOR and behavior of NAND are complements of AND and OR operations, so that we have introduced simply AND gate logic with inversion bubble and simply OR gate logic with one inverter bubble, and the same I have represented in the Boolean expression with x is equal to A dot B complement, and here for the NOR x is equal to A plus B whole bar. Okay, so these two are the universal logic gates. Now coming to the special logic gates, XOR and XNOR, where XOR is nothing but the logic gate whose output is at logic 1 when one and only one of its input is at logic 1. Otherwise, if both the inputs are same, that then the logic will be 0. Okay, so the logic Boolean symbol or simply the Boolean expression for the XOR gate is A XOR with B is represented with the symbol like this. So A XOR with B, and XNOR here the complement or XOR with one complement or inversion bubble is added to the symbol, and here the A XOR B whole complement is nothing but XNOR. Okay, so XNOR is the behavior of XNOR can be represented with the output as output is at logic 0 when one and only one of its inputs is at logic 1. Otherwise, it is logic 1. Similar to the XOR, but the inversion operation will be performed when compared to the XOR. So here XOR and XNOR are called special logic gates. Now considering this chart where logic gates, the symbol for each and every logic gate and the description of the logic gate with its inputs and output relation, and the relation between output and input will be represented by means of a logic Boolean expression. So now taking these logic functions into account, in this particular chart I have quoted you the logic symbols for buffer, NOT gate, AND gate, NAND gate, 2 input NAND gate, 2 input OR gate, and 2 input NOR gate, and XOR gate and XNOR gates with its truth table and final Boolean expression. So buffer means buffer is an element which transfers the input as it is to the output of a circuit. So output. So here let us consider according to its nature y. Let y will be the output configuration of each and every logic gate, and A or A and B, if 2 inputs are there, A and B are the input configurations or input ports of the logic gate, then the relation between input and output and inputs of logic gates are represented by means of truth table. Okay, so truth table by imposing some Boolean values like binary logic 0 or logic 1 onto the input ports according to the behavior or description of the gate. Here the y value will be obtained. So here the relation between output and input values by means of truth table and Boolean expressions are represented in the 3rd and 4th column of this chart. So now first buffer element according to its nature or definition, if you are giving 0 at the input, let us say A is your input, 0 at the input, the output is also 0. And if you are giving 1 at the input, you will get the 1 only. The same value, whatever may be the input you have imposed, the same values will be obtained at the output ports of a logic gate. The behavior of the particular circuit is represented as simply buffer circuit, and the response or output response of the logic function in terms of a Boolean expression if have represented y is equal to A. So buffer means y is equal to A. Now inverter. Inverter means NOT gate. Buffer complement operation. Buffer with complement operation. So here if input is equal to 0, just now we have discussed in the previous section. So NOT gate. Input is equal to 0, output equal to 1, complement of its input. And 1, if your input is 1, output will be 0. So here the expression is y is equal to A bar. Simply the AND in 2 input AND gate. 2 inputs, so means 2 power n combinations. 2 power 2 configurations will be the possible combinations that we can give to the any of the gate. So here 2 inputs means we can give 4 possible. 2 power 2 combinations means 2 power 2 means 4 combinations. What are those 4 combinations? Combinations that we can give mean 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So for all these combinations the outputs are suitably when any one of the input is equal to 1. If both the inputs are 1, then only output will be 1, or else if any input is 0, output will be 0 only. So according to that, here 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. See here the last input consists of both the inputs are 1. So 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. So represent A dot B, and if both A and B are 1, output logic will be 1. Similarly NAND gate, the complement of this one. So first 3 inputs combinations will be 1 and output will be 0 for 1 1 configuration, A dot B whole bar. Similarly OR gate, if any one of the input is 1, output will be 1. So here output will be 1 for all the 3 configurations, and both the inputs are 0 means output will be 0. So the expression is A plus B. Similarly NOR gate. NOR gate combination complement of this OR gate. So 1 and all 3 zeros we will get, and A plus B whole bar is the expression. Similarly XOR gate. If both the inputs are same, that is 0 0, output will be 0, and 1 1, output will be 0. If inputs are different, we will get output will be 1. So the this particular based on the behavior of XOR gate, we can use this as a comparator circuit. So output expression, Boolean expression can be represented as y is equal to A XOR B. XNOR combination. XNOR combination is the complement of XOR combination. So for 0 logic, here for 0 0 it will be 1, and if inputs are different, this output will be 0, and inputs are same, output will be 1. So A XOR B whole bar is the Boolean expression logic for 2 input XNOR gate. So with this slide we will we have covered what are the basic logic functions available in the digital logics to implement entire circuit, and what are the basic NOR gates, basic logic gates, and special logic gates, and what are the various universal logic gates available to implement a digital logic design we have discussed. So now how to write a VHDL code by representing this logic gate as an entity, and how to write the functionality of each and every logic gate within the architecture. In the next slide, we will discuss about the VHDL. Next slides, we will discuss about the VHDL code or the RTL designs, how to represent or how to write a VHDL part for each and every logic gate.